Introducing the 2018 Nissan Rogue. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, blind spot sensor, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.